Do you know the process of how the plastic shopper used daily is manufactured in a factory? You will be amazed to see the reality.
This is not a natural river. Plastic waste now outweighs aquatic life. Ingested by mistake, it becomes deadly. An ecosystem on the brink of collapse. This is not just a mountain of waste. It is a monument to our disposable culture. Every single piece here tells a story of convenience.
Every year, millions of tons of plastic film are processed here. Workers sort through a relentless sea of used bags. This is the critical first step in giving these materials a second life.